Hi, everyone. It's Patty from Sandy Hollow Tarot and Boozy Tarot. And I'm here with another unboxing. This time we have Witch, Woman in Total Control of Herself by Angi Sullins, art by Silas Toball. So very substantial box. Mine got dented in shipping, which is a bummer, but um anyway, nice. I like this little detail here, how it's cut out. Just going to read what it says on the back. A witch is a woman in total control of herself. She has shifted her allegiance from pleasing to pleasure, from subservient to subversive, through the very act of claiming her inner knowing as her highest authority. She's willing to abandon everyone else's expectations before she'll abandon herself. She stopped fearing her path and started blazing it, loyal to the visions in her head and the longing of her heart. This limited edition deck is dedicated to the over 1,200 Kickstarter backers who first believed in our project and gave us the confidence to manifest our lifelong dream of becoming a tarot and oracle publisher. We dedicate our lives to spreading messages from the muse, helping you become the mistress of your own power. Without you, this deck wouldn't be possible, nor would our publishing endeavor. Signed by both Angi and Silas, this deck contains 4 exclusive cards unavailable anywhere else. I didn't know that. It also contains a world of thanks for the support, love, and encouragement. We look forward to inspiring you for years to come. So yes, so I backed this on Kickstarter during the pandemic. Totally forgot about it. It took a long time for this to come in, but so that was a nice surprise. So I'm going to switch the camera and we'll take a look at the cards. Okay, so here we go. So this opens up. It says, become a disciple of inner devotion, resurrect the silver salvation of self-respect, believe in yourself and your wild holy heart like it's a sovereign religion. It is, and the world needs more missionaries. All right. So we have a little bag here to keep our cards in. Here's the book, which is quite substantial, right? And look at that. That is gorgeous. Full color. I haven't looked at this yet. Beautiful. Wow. So let's take a look at the table of contents. Welcome message, introduction. All right, all sorts of good stuff in here. So, all right, let's take a look at the cards. We have a nice gold, shimmery gold side. Why can't I think of the word for that? Can't think of it. Gilded edge, that's what I'm thinking of. Okay, so here we go. Card number 1, Witch. 2 is the Story Keeper. Oops. 3, Spider Woman. The Phoenix. The Selkie. Creatrix of Cunning. I like that. There was a little fox in my driveway the other night, making the most god-awful noise. But very cute. Cute animals. She of the Invisible Ally. So I like this cardstock. It's not too thick. I'm very particular about my cardstock. This is nice. It's just weighty enough to make it substantial, but it's not that thick cardboard that you have a hard time separating. Maiden Journey. Keeper of Silence. Psyche. That's a pretty card. Look at that. Those butterflies and the crystal ball. The Songstress. Divine Masculine. The Oracle. There she is with her tarot cards. So it's funny, I didn't even think that this is an Oracle deck and not a tarot deck. I don't typically read Oracle cards, but I am loving these. So this may be what shifts me over into that realm. Lady of Perpetual Rebirth. Look at this one, the Lion Queen. Love her. The Trailblazer. Oh, I love this. It reminds me of the Fool, like with that posture, right? There's a wolf at her side instead of a little dog. Beautiful. The Scholar. Empress of Pleasure. Taking our Empress card to the next level there, right? Alchemist of Pain. Damn. Oh, look at this one, the Dreamer. The Judge. So that's, I would correlate with that with the Justice card, but it has a very High Priestess vibe to it, right? Sitting between the two columns. What's behind her, we don't know. Very mysterious. So it's like a combination of the two. The Bard of Truth. Should censor that. The swan has a ribbon around its neck. Interesting. Priestess of Priorities. Oh, is that calling me out? Get your priorities straight. Interesting. The Dancer. Creepy little goat here. And look at this one, the Labyrinth Walker. Priestess of Original Innocence. Oh, the Devouring Mother. That's a loaded card, huh? Oh boy. Failure's Muse. Wow, these cards are so intriguing. Siren of Surrender. They have, some correlations to typical archetypes, but then others that you don't really see. Goddess of Grace. The Hive Queen. The Sovereign. Ooh, Thief of Peace. She's got a lot on her mind, huh? Medicine Woman. Harpy of Rage. Who can relate to this, huh? Harpy of Rage. Weaver of the Red Tent. When you pull this card, you're gonna get your period. The Wing Leader. The Exile. The Companion. Oh, I love this one. Disciple of Ritual. The Predator. There's some thoughts on that card, huh? Right. Has very Hierophant vibes, right? And that's a card in the tarot that people definitely have reactions to, if they've had some religious experiences. The Wonder Hunter. Sisterhood of Reciprocity. Reminds me of the Three of Cups, except for now we have 4 ladies getting down with their bad selves. The Rescuer, that has very strength-like vibes, right? Only instead of a lion, she's got a lamb. Triple Goddess. Is that like Mother, Maiden, and Crone there? Gardener of Hope. Dragon Rider, look at that. Holy cow. And Madonna of Self-Compassion. Awesome. So this looks like it is going to be an amazing deck to work with. I will probably take a read through the book, and then I'll probably do some readings over on my Boozy Tarot Facebook group. So please come join me over there if you haven't already joined. We welcome you to our fabulous group of like-minded souls with a good, healthy sense of humor. So there you go. That is Which Woman in Total Control of Herself Oracle. Thanks so much for watching.